Here are some important words and their meanings related to shopping. Shop, a store, a place where you buy things. Price, the amount of money you pay. Expensive, high price, cheap, low price. Bargain, to ask for a lower price. Cash, paper money or coins. Card, credit or debit card. Bill/receipt, a paper that shows what you bought. Size, how big or small something is. Discount, a special lower price. Try on, to wear something before buying. Customer, a person who buys. Shopkeeper, a person who sells. Tip, say these words aloud 3 times. Repeating makes your pronunciation better. Basic sentences, you must know. Here are easy sentences you can use at the market. How much is this? Can you give me a discount? Do you have this in a smaller size? I like this one. Can I try it on? I'll take it. It's too expensive. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay by card? Please pack it. Pro tip, speak slowly and clearly. Confidence is more important than perfection. Dialogue. 1. Buying clothes. Customer, hello, how much is this shirt? Shopkeeper, hello, that shirt is $25. Customer, oh, that's a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount? Shopkeeper, okay, I can give it to you for $20. Customer, that's better. Do you have it in a smaller size? Shopkeeper, yes, we have small, medium and large. Customer, great, I'll try the medium. Shopkeeper, sure, the changing room is over there. Customer, after trying, I like it, I'll take it. Shopkeeper, perfect, cash or card. Customer, cash. Shopkeeper, here's your bill. Customer, thank you so much. Shopkeeper, you're welcome, have a nice day. Language. Tip, can you give me a discount? Polite way to ask for a lower price. I'll take it means I will buy it. Dialogue. 2. Buying groceries. Customer, hi, how much are these apples? Shopkeeper, they are $2 per kilo. Customer, okay, I'll take 2 kilos. Shopkeeper, anything else? Customer, yes, some bananas please. Shopkeeper, bananas are $1.50 per kilo. Customer, I'll take 1 kilo. Shopkeeper, sure, do you need a bag? Customer, yes, please. Shopkeeper, here's your total, $5. Customer, here's the cash. Shopkeeper, thank you, have a nice day. Grammar. Tip, use how much are these when asking the price of plural items. I'll take 2 kilos. Future tense, polite. Dialogue. 3. Buying shoes. Customer, hi, I'm looking for running shoes. Shopkeeper, hello, what size do you wear? Customer, size 8. Shopkeeper, here are some options. Customer, how much are these black ones? Shopkeeper, they're $40. Customer, do you have any discount? Shopkeeper, yes, 10% off today. Customer, great. Can I try them on? Shopkeeper, of course. Customer, after trying, they fit well, I'll take them. Shopkeeper, would you like a bag? Customer, yes, please. Shopkeeper, total is $36. Customer, here's my card. Shopkeeper, thank you, enjoy your new shoes. Speaking tip, they fit well, equals they are the right size. I'm looking for is a polite way to say what you want.